Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
And welcome back to the 10X Game Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Tuesday, April 15th. Wow, the time's flying. It's 9:46 p.m. Let's dive right into the charts. XRP is currently sitting at $2.09. But you know what? Before we get into it, take a quick peek at this. This was my previous video. If you guys have tuned in and are watching my videos, you'll know this. You know, take note, worst case scenario, we do close the daily below it. The next target is this line here, this Fibonacci level. You can see we wicked right to it right there. And that's going to be around the 160 range. So I'm not too sure that's going to happen, honestly, in my personal opinion. So guys, this is what I was saying in my previous video. If we do close a daily candle below the $2 range, we're going to come right down to this next Fibonacci level, corresponding to this wick right over here. And that is exactly to a T what we did, guys. I mean, I didn't want it to happen, but it happened. If you guys are able to scoop some more and buy more during this little dip here, I mean, it was a 3-day period. We were in this range. Congratulations for getting that cheap buy. But yeah, so we closed that daily candle below the golden pocket, and we came to meet the very next Fibonacci level and wicked right to the $1.60 range. Smash that like button if you follow along. If you subscribe to the channel, I appreciate all you guys tuning in. Let's see where we're at today. So we've, on the daily, reclaimed this $2 range. And yeah, we still have this resistance up ahead here. So we do need to close a daily above that to eventually revisit the $3 range. So really, we're kind of just seeing what's going to happen. There's a lot of news that potentially the case, XRP SEC case, gets dropped tomorrow. We'll see if that happens or not. But as you can see, we did climb back up. We got above the $2 range. We are starting to fall down here on the daily. Next support, guys, is going to be this $2 range again. You know, are we going to come revisit this $2 range? I don't know. I mean, what I'm seeing here, and I know this might look stupid or, it looks a little off, but just bear with me here, guys. Just bear with me for a second. What I'm seeing here is, yes, you see it too. If we come down here, I mean, we don't have to come all the way down, but we're starting to form an inverse head and shoulders, which is a super bullish pattern, a nice reversal pattern. Which this pattern would probably take us up to this range here, up to the $3 range, and we'd be breaking this this resistance here. So pay attention to this inverse head and shoulders. If we take it to the 4-hour, you might be able to see it a little bit better. You've got this shoulder here. This is the neckline. You got this head as we've come all the way back to the neckline, and then as we're starting to form another shoulder. So, you know what, guys? Really, if we do fall down to this $2 range, it's not the end of the world. We're actually just forming a reversal pattern. So keep that in mind if we do trickle down a little bit more. But yeah, I guess we'll see what happens. Overall, XRP has been holding up, if not one of the best cryptos in the space that has been holding up as far as price goes. I mean, everything else has been hammered pretty hard. So, XRP is definitely by far my =1 holding. Of course, I do hold others like Ondo, Algo, and some of the other ISO compliant tokens, but XRP, it's the one, guys. And like I said in my previous video, I'm documenting this journey all the way up. I mean, to $1,000, to thousands of dollars. I will keep you updated all the way. We'll be able to look at this video in the future and just laugh. I mean, we'll be able to look at this video and be shocked. All you guys that are watching this right now, congratulations that you found this channel. You are a pioneer in the space. You are an early adopter, and the world monetary system as we know it is changing right in front of your face. You owning XRP are staying ahead of the curve and creating generational wealth for yourself and your family. So, yeah, congrats if you hold XRP. But guys, so yeah, just a quick update. I know I haven't made a video in a while, and honestly, to be honest with you guys, the markets have just been so boring, just sideways. I mean, we've been in this range, right? Like from this line, this whole gray area, we've just been in this range for months. Not like it's not exciting or anything coming from 50 cents. It's very exciting, but we're just waiting for the next leg. So we'll see what happens. I've got April 22nd. This line right here is a very important date for a specific reason. Maybe I'll mention it in a future video, in my next video. But yeah, I'm watching this date. So be prepared. I'm very excited for the rest of this week and next week to play out to see what happens. Guys, take a look at the Chinese money supply. I've kept you updated in a video a month or two ago. But if we look at the Chinese money supply, we just got another month of data. So this moves in a monthly time frame. As you can see up here, you can't change it. It only moves by the month. And as you can see, from December to January, the Chinese money supply, I mean, they're just printing off Chinese yuan like no tomorrow. And like I said, guys, this spike, I did the math. This massive spike is worth about 8 trillion US dollars. Where's that? What is that going to do? Like, are they going to be the ones that really inject this money into the system? I don't know. I could only hope that this is going to be a massive pump for the markets, the crypto markets in general. But yeah, so, it came down for the month of March because this is on a monthly time frame. So it actually lags behind a month. So this point right here where it came down was actually the end of March printing February's data. So we just got the end of March's data, or I'm sorry, excuse me. This point right here is the data for the month of March. I know we're in the middle of April, but this most recent point is March's data. And so, yes, it looked like it was coming down after February, like, oh, are they turning it off now? But no, guys, it's still going up. So they are still printing money like no tomorrow. This isn't a massive trend. We'll see, I guess, at the end of April what the next point is. But just keep that in mind. Super interesting chart. And any economic gurus out there, if you have any idea of what this means, please throw it in the chat. Throw it in the comments down below. I appreciate it. But yeah, we're going to keep our eyes on XRP. XRP is the prize. XRP is the one. Like I said, guys, with that Fibonacci holding, I mean, I didn't show you the weekly. Check out the weekly. I mean, this is absolutely phenomenal. The week we had last week, this green candle, so bullish, so nice. I mean, we had that lower tail, and we closed the body above with a large lower tail. That just shows a lot of bullish momentum pushing us back up. Huge bounce off this range. Hopefully, guys, I mean, it's Tuesday. We got 5 days left in the week, so a lot can happen, guys. A lot can happen in 5 days. I mean, this thing could shoot off. So yeah, we'll see what happens. RSI is super oversold on the weekly. We are due for a massive, massive pump. Let me know what you guys think down below. It's coming soon. Let's check it out on X. If you guys don't follow me at official NDE. That's at official NDE. Let's get right into it. Crypto Shab says 1,000 XRP is enough for a joyful and free life. Just hold until 2029 XRP. Yeah, guys, I mean, if you guys are just getting into the space, 1,000 XRP would be a great place to start, for a goal. Set a goal for yourself. Maybe it's 500, maybe it's 100 XRP. Whatever is your goal, set it and keep building, Set aside money from every paycheck and put it in there. And just don't look at the price. Just look at your holdings. Just keep stacking your holdings, guys. Just hold. You're going to do very well. You're going to be rewarded very handsomely. Now, I am not a financial advisor. I don't hold any licenses in any way. So anything I say you know, technically isn't any financial advice of any kind. I'm just throwing out my opinions to you guys. Buy more XRP. That's my opinion, all right? Here's one from my friend Blondie. Ripple's legal case with the SEC may settle by April 16th, which is tomorrow. A partnership with Swift is anticipated by April 21st, which is next Monday. Guys, I got April 22nd, next Tuesday, a week from today, on the books. So peel your eyes open for that date. Something massive. Something very massive. Ripple's legal case with the SEC may settle by April 16th. The partnership with Swift anticipated by April 21st, potentially strengthening its financial network impact. And that's, I don't know, TLDR said that. Yeah, a lot of people are saying April 16th. Here's another one from Crypto Briefing. He says, just in, analysts suggest that the XRP may be ahead of other cryptocurrencies in the race for SEC approval of a spot ETF. It's massive, guys. As you know, there's about 16 different XRP ETFs that are filed out there just waiting to get approved. Just waiting. You know, as soon as a couple get approved, bam, 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 they're all going to get approved. And boom, I mean, money just starts flowing into XRP. The price goes up. You know what happens to your investments, all right? Here's another one from Velo Maxi. Tomorrow is April 16th, and the SEC lawsuit against Ripple officially ends. XRP to the moon. Guys, we'll see if that's true, but like I said, there's something about April 16th that a lot of people are calling for. So we really have to see... wait till tomorrow, really, and just see what happens. But yeah, April 16th, Wednesday, we'll see if the XRP lawsuit officially ends. Could be good news, and could send the price up through that breakout range, much higher. The Chinese money supply, money printers going burr. The liquidity will flow into Bitcoin and crypto, and that's what I'm thinking, guys. I just showed you that. Pay attention to that. Super interesting there. Here's one. Everyone is trying to get the best entry into XRP right now. Who is here at 50 cents? Who is here at 70 cents? You know, that 50 to 70 cent range, we were there for probably, what, 5 years, 6 years? Guys, that's where I accumulated all my XRP. I'm going to be honest. Well, not all of it, okay? I have bought in some recently and in the dollar ranges and in the $2 ranges, but 98% of mine was accumulated then. Like this video and comment down below if you were accumulating XRP in those ranges. All right, I'm interested to know. And if you weren't, well, you're still not late. Welcome to the party. You are very, very, very early, as this is just getting started. I mean, wow. XRP was never meant for retail. I can only tell you that. How lucky you are to be able to purchase XRP right now. Unbelievable. Guys, I also posted on yesterday, actually. Hey, all XRP holders, all I have to say is April 22nd, Tuesday, hold strong and just watch. All right. I might reveal the April 22nd date significance in my next video. If I do post one before then, I'm sure I will. Sorry, I've just been so busy, but yeah, peel your eyes for that, guys. Peel your eyes for that date. Next week. It's coming quick. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. I appreciate every single one of you tuning in, watching the videos, liking the videos, and subscribing to the channel. And I will see you in the next one. Till next time.